Good morning everyone. I am Dr. K. Brinda, Head of Department BCom Professional Accounting in Dr. S.N.S. Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. And today's topic is about data collection. Data collection is the process of gathering and measuring information on variables of interest in an established systematic fashion that enables one to answer stated research questions, test hypotheses, and evaluate outcomes. The data collection component of research is common to all fields of study, including physical and social sciences, humanities, businesses, etc. While the methods vary by discipline, the emphasis on ensuring accurate and honest collection remains the same. The importance of ensuring accurate and appropriate data collection, regardless of the field of study or preference for defining data, accurate data collection is essential to maintaining the integrity of research. Both the selection of appropriate data collection instruments and clearly defined instructions for their correct use. And the next topic is about methods of data collection or the tools of data collection. And the first tool is surveys. Surveys are physical or digital questionnaires that gather both qualitative and quantitative data from subjects. One situation in which you might conduct a survey is gathering attendee feedback after an event. While physical copies of surveys can be sent out to participants, online surveys present the opportunity for distribution at scale. They can also be inexpensive. Running a survey can cost nothing if you use a free tool. And the second one is transactional tracking. Each time your customer makes a purchase, tracking the data can allow you to make decisions about the targeted marketing efforts and understand your customer base better. And third one is interview and focus groups. Interview and focus groups consist of talking to subject face to face about a specific topic or issue. Interviews tend to be one-to-one and focus groups are typically made up of several people. You can use both to gather qualitative and quantitative data. Through interviews and focus groups, you can get feedback from people in your target audience about new product features. As in this case with surveys, these collection methods allow you to ask subject anything you want about their opinions, motivations and feelings regarding your product or brand. And the fourth one is observation. Observing people interacting with your website or product can be useful for data collection because of the candor it offers. If your user experience is confusing or difficult, you can witness in real time. While less accessible than other data collection methods, observations enable you to see firsthand how users interact with your product or site. And the fifth one is online tracking. To gather behavioral data, you can implement pixels and cookies. These are the both tools to track the user's online behavior across websites and provide insight into what content they are interested in and typically engaged with. Inserting a pixel is often free and relatively easy to set up. Implementing cookies may come with free but could be worth it for the quality of data you will receive. And the sixth one is forms. Online forms are beneficial for gathering qualitative data about users, specifically demographic data, contact information. They are relatively inexpensive and simple to set up, and you can use them to get content or registration such as webinars and email newsletters. The last one is social media monitoring. Monitoring your company's social media channels for follower engagement is an accessible way to track data about your audience's interests and motivations. Many social media platforms have analytics built in, but there are also third-party social media that give more detailed organized insights pulled from multiple channels. You can use data collected from social media to determine which issue are the most important to your followers. For instance, you may notice that the number of engagements dramatically increases when your company posts about its sustainability efforts. Thank you. The next topic is about factors to consider while collecting data. Novice and experienced researchers may encounter numerous methodological challenges when it comes to data collection. Data have to be collected from the right sources using appropriate data collection tools to make research studies impactful. There are numerous data collection methods that researchers may use, but not all methods are appropriate for all research studies. Choosing an inappropriate research methods may result in invalid research findings and lead to erroneous conclusions. This means researchers have to carefully choose data collection methods to make their studies achieve their respective goals. The study intended to identify factors that researchers have to consider in choosing data collection methods. A systematic literature review was used to analyze 28 journal articles published between 2018 and 2022. From the analysis, the study identified 10 factors that researchers have to consider in their choosing data collection methods. The factors are the researcher goal, the scope of the study, sample size, type of the data, time and user, friendliness to subjects, other